everyone, we are from Group 2. My name is Medalina Kupa and my matric number is 101816. Today, we are going to present our mini project entitled Safe and Sustainable Seafood Choices. Seafood is an important source of protein and nutrition in our daily meals. In Malaysia, many people consume seafood such as fish, squid, prawns, crab, and shellfish almost every day. However, not all seafood is caught in a sustainable and environmentally friendly way. Some fishing methods may damage marine ecosystem, increase pollution, and threaten biodiversity. So, in this project, we will discuss 5 aquatic organisms commonly found in our daily meals and evaluate whether they are safe and sustainable food sources. The first aquatic organism is black pomfret, or locally known as ikan bawal hitam. The scientific name for black pomfret is Parastromatis niger. Ikan bawal is very popular in Malaysia because of its soft texture and delicious taste. It is commonly caught using fishing nets, hook, and also through aquaculture farming methods. Nowadays, aquaculture helps increase ikan bawal production to meet consumer demand. The market price for ikan bawal hitam is usually around 26 ringgit per kilogram, depending on freshness and size. There are many popular dishes using ikan bawal hitam, such as sweet and sour bawal, steamed bawal, and fried bawal. In terms of sustainability, locally farmed ikan bawal may have lower carbon footprints because transportation distance is shorter. However, some large-scale fishing methods, such as trolling, may damage seabed and unintentionally catch other marine animals. More sustainable methods such as hook fishing and responsible aquaculture system can reduce environmental impacts. As consumers, we should choose seafood from responsible and sustainable source.
Next, I will present about squid, or locally known as sotong. The scientific name for squid is Loligo vulgaris. Squid is very popular in Malaysia cuisine because it can be cooked in many different ways. Common catching technique include squid jigging, also known as candid sotong, and large fishing net. Candid sotong is considered more sustainable because it specifically targets squid and reduced breakage. Breakage refers to unwanted marine animals accidentally caught during fishing activities. The market price for squid usually range between Rm20 ringgit Malaysia and Rm40 ringgit Malaysia per kilogram. Popular squid dishes include sambal sotong, fried squid, and squid cooked in black sauce. In terms of sustainability, large fishing boats using fuel contribute to carbon emissions and pollution. Furthermore, large trawl nets may damage seabeds and marine ecosystem. Therefore, traditional squid jigging methods are safe and more environmentally friendly. We should support local fishermen who use sustainable fishing methods.
The third aquatic organism is prawn or udang. The scientific name for tiger prawn is Penaeus monodon. Prawns are widely consumed in Malaysia and are commonly used in many dishes. They are usually caught using fishing net or produced through stream farming. The market price for prawn can range from 25 ringgit to 50 ringgit per kilogram, depending on species and size. Popular prawn dishes include butter prawn, sabut udang, and turmeric fried prawn. Although stream farming helps increase seafood production, some irresponsible stream farm may destroy mangrove forests. Mangrove forests are important because they protect coastlines and serve as habitat for marine animals. Some stream farms also use chemical and antibiotics that may pollute water. Therefore, sustainable aquaculture practices are important to reduce environmental impact. As consumers, we should choose prawns from farms that follow environmentally friendly practices.
The fourth aquatic organism is crab. One common species in Malaysia is mud crab with the scientific name Scylla serrata. Crabs are usually caught using crab traps, fishing nets, or manual collection methods. The market price for crabs range between RM30 and RM60 per kilogram. Popular crab dishes include chili crab, black pepper crab, and crab cooked in coconut milk. In terms of sustainability, crab traps are considered safer because they target specific animals and reduce harm to marine ecosystems. However, overfishing may reduce crab populations and disturb the marine food chain. Fishermen should follow size limit and avoid catching young crabs. This allows crab populations to reproduce and maintain healthy ecosystems. Sustainable fishing practices are important to ensure seafood remains available for future generations.
Hello, my name is Lowena Anak Pansa and my metric number is 84361. So the final aquatic organism is cockles, or locally known as kerang. The scientific name for cockles is Anadera granosa. Cockles are a type of shellfish that are widely consumed in many Asian countries, especially in Malaysia. Cockles are commonly harvested through aquaculture and manual collection. The market price for cockles is around 8 ringgit to 15 ringgit per kilogram, depending on the size, freshness, and market demand. The popular dishes made from cockles include boiled cockles, sambal kerang, and grilled cockles. In terms of sustainability, cockles generally have lower carbon footprints because they require less fuel and simpler harvesting methods. Cockle farming can also be sustainable if water quality is properly maintained. However, polluted water may affect seafood safety and human health. Therefore, proper monitoring and clean farming environments are very important. As consumers, we should buy seafood from clean and trusted sources.
In conclusion, seafood is an important part of our daily meals and provides many health benefits. However, unsustainable fishing activities may damage marine ecosystem, increase pollution, and threaten biodiversity. By choosing sustainable seafood and supporting responsible fishing methods, we can help protect the ocean environment. We should also spread awareness about safe and sustainable seafood choice to our family and communities. Healthy ocean will ensure enough seafood resource for future generations. Thank you for listening to our presentation.